This is 3.5.C. We're going to measure concentrations and dilutions in fertilizer. Let's look at this first one. Determine the number of pounds of nitrogen. Nitrogen is the first letter. Oops, I gotta start this over again. Nitrogen is the first letter in the ratio. All right. Where'd our thing go? There it is. No. Here we go. So this would be the nitrogen. This is the phosphorus, and this is the potassium. So if there's a 100-pound bag, okay, and the ratio is 10 to 10 to 5, those three add up to 25 pounds. No, I'm sorry. In a 100-pound bag, there would be, that's easy. There's just 10, because there's 10 pounds per 100 pounds, or 10%. So it'd be 10 pounds of nitrogen. Next one. How many pounds of 10-5-5 fertilizer are needed for a 15,000 square foot lawn if the application rate is 0.5 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet? All right. So we have 10 pounds. Now remember, this is in a 100-pound bag. 10 pounds. Oh, let's not do it that way. Let's start with the size of the lawn. The lawn is 15,000 square feet. Okay, and we know that 1,000 square feet takes a half a pound. Those two are going to cancel. And so when we get that answer, we will know how many pounds we have. So 15,000 times 0.5 over 1,000 gives us 15 halves, which would be 7.5. So we need 7.5 pounds of nitrogen. But a bag has 10 pounds of nitrogen per 100-pound bag. So if we cross multiply and divide, we get 7.5 times 100, divided by 10. That's all clear. I don't know what I pressed wrong. 7.5 times 100 divided by 10 gives us 75 pounds of 10-5-5 fertilizer. So this is 3.5.C. This is 3.5.C. We're going to measure mixture concentrations and dilutions for medical lab technicians. So you've got 500 milliliters of blood is diluted with 900 milliliters of water. What is the dilution ratio? Okay, so in order to solve this problem, let's do it again. In order to solve this problem, we've got 500 milliliters, that's the numerator, and then the denominator is the total amount. So you add these two together, you get 1,400 milliliters. So on our calculator, if we press 500 fraction 1,400, we get 5 to 14. Next one. How many milliliters of serum will be needed to make 110 or 1,100 milliliters of a 1:11 ratio of saline? Okay, so we've got 1 to 11. That's saline to total. And we want to have 1100 of total. So cross multiply and divide. 1,100 times 1 divided by 11 is 100. This is 3.5 point C.